Over the past 2 months, I've been writing ebooks as my website is currently live on the web. I currently have 1 ebook for sale and 2 on the way. My plan is to put out as many ebooks as possible, all in different niches on one website. That way, I will have a huge variety of books that customers can choose from once they're on my page. Some of these topics will include weight loss, personal finance, personal development, and so on. Strictly focusing on things I understand. Now guys, before we move on, join the cool kids and hit that subscribe button. Now, imagine running a business without ever touching a physical product. No storage, no shipping, no handling. In fact, this product requires no shipping at all. And I'm sure you know what that means. No long wait times, no upset customers, and as a byproduct, hopefully more repeat customers. Well guys, welcome to the world of dropshipping ebooks. Digital content is on the rise, and as the demand continues to grow, opportunities will follow, mostly for those that choose to produce instead of consume. I know that traditionally dropshipping has been associated with physical products, but the benefits of ebooks are just too great to pass on. Now, some of these benefits include easy access to ebooks. They can be delivered instantly via email or downloadable links. So say goodbye to DHS and UPS. Ebooks are also very cheap to produce. You can pretty much write one for free, making them very affordable for both the publishers and the readers. And if all your hard work pays off and you end up starting a successful brand, there will be no shipping costs, any storing, or managing any physical products in a warehouse. Now guys, without a doubt, selecting a niche is very crucial for any successful ebook business. Here's exactly what I've done and what you can do. Step 1, identify your interest and expertise. These could be your passions, interests, or anything you feel like you have an understanding of. Once you've done this research, figured out your niche, and make sure that the market demand is very strong. For example, 2 ebooks I'm writing right now are on personal development and weight loss. Both of these niches are strong in demand. As you know, weight loss and self-improvement is huge, and people are looking for actionable tips and strategies to help them on their journeys. Now, once you've selected your niche, it's time to start writing your ebook. And guys, quick note, it can literally be anywhere from 5 to 10 pages. Now, if you enjoy writing, you can use Word and do it yourself, or you could hop on Fiverr and hire someone to write it for $10. That's what I did with my first book, and the process was very simple. All I did was send them $10, the title, and a niche, and a couple days later, I had a PDF ebook with a cover and a design of my choosing. Next, we have setting up the ebook business page. Now, once you have your ebook, you need to start creating an e-commerce website so that customers can browse and purchase your books. I use Shopify to do this. It's really simple and great for beginners. If you're not sure how to do this, there are a bunch of tutorials on YouTube that show you how you can set up a store and start selling. There are also many other platforms available. Once you have your website set up, you will need to market your ebook. Now that we finally have our ebook business set up, it's time for us to start promoting it. Marketing the books is extremely important, and if you don't have a huge following on social media, it can be extremely tough to get your material out there. Fortunately, I had to figure this out the hard way, but at least now I can tell you how to effectively promote your book. Now, the most powerful way to do this is through social media, and by this, I mean Facebook ads. Facebook ads are absolutely a powerful marketing tool, especially when you're looking to promote something in a certain niche. With about 3 billion monthly active users, the reach is endless. And most importantly, the advanced targeting options allow you to create highly targeted ads based on a wide range of factors. For example, you can target people based on age, interest, relationship status, location, behavior, and more. Now, the reason this is great is because if you write a book on weight loss, you can target people who are interested in weight loss, fitness, dieting, and if you want to write a book on self-help or personal development, Facebook's advanced targeting options can help you target those who have taken action and shown interest in self-development. For example, those who have purchased similar books in the past. And finally, this one is kind of funny, but just to make it more clear, if your ebook is titled How to Get a Girlfriend or vice versa, you can target people with relationship status single on their page. Now, I know that some people might find this to be intrusive and borderline creepy, but at least you can create highly targeted ads and save more money on your ad budget. Now, how does that sound, Scrooge McDuck? Sounds like a good money saving idea, right? So there you have it. That is the basics of drop shipping ebooks. With all these tips and tools, you should be ready to start your own store. Anyways, guys, Thanks for watching. Scrooge, I hope you enjoyed being a part of the video. For those watching at home, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Good luck with your drop shipping journey, and I'll see you guys on the next one.